Just the last website that I visited was Amazon. It is a online store where you can buy a lot of things like video games and accessories for sports, video cameras, and a lot of things. Even you can buy books or, I don't know, stuff for a plumber, that kind of things. So what attracted me was that you have a lot of sales, promotions there that you can use to buy things. In my case, I like a lot the video games, so I was watching a game that 2 weeks ago it was in 1,500 with 99 pesos. And yesterday, the same game by the same person who is selling, it was at 1,000 pesos. So that's what that the web page attracted me.